The police are still searching for persons who may have information on last evening's brutal killing of a police constable in Harwood, Clarendon. Constable Kirkland Plummer was stoned and then shot by patrons at a party in the community. As Kalisha Williams reports, another man was also killed during the brawl.
It was a street dance, an event that should not have been staged in the first place in the community of Harwood, Clarendon. It appeared patrons were in a mad rush to leave the area, and it wasn't just because the party was unauthorized. We were told things got ugly when one of the patrons fired shots in the air. We were told Constable Kirkland Plummer, who was near the area, intervened and tried to arrest the patron, 27-year-old Dwayne Sholas.
He was met with resistance, and during the struggle, he actually managed to disarm a gunman of his firearm, and during the process, the gunman was shot and sustained injury and later succumbed.
Head of the Manchester Police Division, Superintendent Gary Francis, said Constable Plummer then called for support, but during the process he was stoned by angry patrons. And it didn't stop there.
On arrival of the support team, Constable Plummer was found with multiple blunt force trauma to his head and what appears to be a bullet wound to his face. He was seen lying down, securing his personal firearm and the illegal firearm which he had seized from the gunman. He was later pronounced dead at the hospital.
It's still not clear who shot Constable Plummer. It's why the police are appealing to persons who may have information to call the Major Investigation Crime Division at 815-0817 or the Mandeville CIB at 987-8058. As for the persons who hosted the party,
we have laid arrest on the persons who were responsible for the party that was kept without permission, and we are seeking other persons who are part of this grouping.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.